Dear children, welcome to chemistry class. In the previous class, we learned about conditions for a chemical reaction. Today, let us study the types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions can be classified into various types. They are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. For the time being, here we will be dealing with the first two types of chemical reactions, that is combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Let us study about combination reaction. A chemical reaction in which two or more elements or compounds combine to form a new product is called a combination reaction. Let me repeat. A chemical reaction in which two or more reactants may be elements or compounds, combine to form a single new product is called a combination reaction. It is also known as synthesis reaction. It can be represented as A plus B gives AB. A and B are the reactants and AB is the product form. We have examples. Fe plus S gives FeS. Iron combines with sulfur to form iron sulfide. Here you please note that only one product is formed, that is iron sulfide. In the second case, 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid. These are examples of combination reaction. Here is an example which demonstrates a combination reaction between magnesium and oxygen. When magnesium ribbon burns in oxygen gas, it burns with a white bright flame and forms white magnesium oxide powder. So here the reactants are magnesium and oxygen. The product formed is white powder of magnesium oxide. And the reaction can be written as 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Here it illustrates a combination reaction between two elements, namely magnesium and oxygen, and forms the product magnesium oxide. Next type of reaction is decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which a compound splits into its constituent elements or other simple compounds is called a decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which a single reactant splits into its constituent elements or into other compounds, that is known as a decomposition reaction. It can be represented as AB gives A plus B, a reactant. A single compound breaks into its constituent elements or other compounds. For example, water, when electric current is passed through water, water splits into its constituent elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Decomposition reaction takes place with the help of absorption of energy, maybe in the form of heat, light or electricity. Let us see some examples of decomposition reaction. A compound breaks up to form two elements. Example, 2HgO gives 2Hg plus O2. Mercuric oxide decomposes on heating to form mercury and oxygen. It breaks with the help of heat. A compound can break up to form both elements and compounds. Example, 2KNO3 gives 2KNO2 plus oxygen. Potassium nitrate on heating decomposes to form potassium nitrite and oxygen. Here potassium nitrite is a compound and oxygen is an element. A compound breaks up to another compound and an element. A compound can break up to form two or more new simpler compounds. Example is calcium carbonate. On heating to about 1000 degrees Celsius, calcium carbonate decomposes or breaks to form two compounds, namely calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. These are all examples of decomposition reaction. Today we learned about two types of reactions, namely combination reactions and decomposition reactions. Winding up for the day. Thank you.